Hey guys, in this video we are going to be talking about graphing. So first we're going to label our axis. So this is the x-axis that is horizontal, and then the vertical is your y-axis. Okay, now we're going to label our 4 quadrants. This is quadrant number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we write them in Roman numerals. And it starts in quadrant 1 with the positive, positive. And I always think about it makes like a C for coordinate grid. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of going to the left. And yes, you do Roman numerals. And yes, it needs to be with Roman numerals always. And then 0, 0 right here is the origin. Okay, so you always start with your origin. So let's practice some graphing, naming the quadrants. Name the quadrant that each point is in. So quadrant A, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and label them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 is IV because 5 is V. So it's, if there's a 1 in front of it, you subtract it. So point A is in quadrant 3, B is in quadrant 4, C is in quadrant 1, and D is in quadrant 2. So now let's practice our graphing. So there's a few different ways you can think about graphing or help you remember it. So some people say you have to walk before you can crawl. So you have to do the X before the Y. Some people say X comes before Y in the alphabet, so you have to do X first. Some people say the fire truck has to get to the fire before you can put up the ladder. Either way, you always start moving on the X-axis, left or right, and then you will go up or down. So point 3, 2, we're going to label that A. So you're going to always start at the origin, and you're going to go over to positive 3, and then you're going to go up. So you're going to go over 3 and up to 2, and that is your point A. So I'm going to erase all that other stuff, and that is point A. So for B, notice it's -6. So you need to go to the left to -6, and then up to positive 4 is right here, and that is B. Then -2, -5 is going to be here. -2 comes down to -5 is C. And then positive 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down to -7. Notice that you're counting the lines. You're not counting this, the grid. Think about the grid of your points, okay? So then down here is D. Okay, remember we have to do our X, comma, Y. Your ordered pairs are always X, comma, Y. I'm gonna put that on this slide too. So we have 0, 4. So you are going 0 on the X and 4 on the Y. So that is going to be up here, and that's going to be E on the Y-axis. Okay, so X was 0, but it's on the Y-axis. Now 4, 0 is going to be over 4, and up and down, not any. So this is going to be F on the X-axis. 0, -3 is going to be down here. We didn't go left or right. We went down, and that is G, -3. And then -9, 0 is all the way over here, and that is going to be H on the X-axis. So now let's go the other way and practice our ordering. Again, it's got to be X, comma, Y. So for I, we are coming to the left, -3 and up 2. So -3, 2. For J, we're going to come over 5 and up 5. So it's going to be 5, 5. K is going to be 4 to the right, and then down -8. So 4, -8. And L is -9, -7. So remember, halfway between -6 and -8 is -7. And these last ones are on the axis. So M is 0 on the X. So it's 0, 5. N is -8, 0 on the X-axis. 0 is negative 3, 0. Sorry, O is negative 3, 0. And then P is 5, 0. Sorry, I did O wrong. That should have been 0, negative 3. So there's a bunch of review options to practice. Thanks.